think what makes St. Cloud unique is really the people. They are strong work ethic. They have a lot of pride, passion for the work that they do. And the other big thing or unique that's about St. Cloud is the Mississippi River. We care a lot about the river and the integrity of the river. It's a very vital part of the city of St. Cloud.
The resource recovery facility here is owned and operated by the city of St. Cloud. But we provide services for the city of St. Cloud and then 5 other cities.
We created a Resource Recovery Energy Efficiency Master Plan in 2014.
Their biosolids collection and reuse program is one of the most innovative practices that they've recently developed here. And what it's going to do is harvest the resource value in their wastewater and put that back into a specific purpose of application to land for nutrients to benefit our communities, our agricultural systems, and the economy of the area.
We're a full biological nutrient removal facility, so one of the very few in the state that treats for both phosphorus and nitrogen both. And we're also a resource recovery facility as it relates to energy production on site and nutrient recovery on site, and then water reuse. So we clean the water and return it back to the river for others to use for recreation or drinking water.
The biggest challenge facing the district was we were running out of storage, our underground storage. We're hauling roughly 11.5 million gallons of biosolids and land applying that to the farmers' fields.
We knew we needed to do something to reduce the volume of the product, and trying to find a way, a process or a technology where we can continue to provide a liquid fertilizer product to our farmers. That's what they like, that's what they ask for, and so we did a variety of alternative evaluations to try to find the technology that was a good fit for us.
Lystek was recommended for the city of St. Cloud because St. Cloud has a very successful biosolids land application program, a liquid land application program. So Lystek kind of fit perfect for St. Cloud. Not only financially and economically did it make sense, but it also has the ability to produce a Class A biosolids, which is very beneficial to St. Cloud and its farmers.
We were excited about it when we found out, but it took a little while for us to really believe that 15% solids could change physical properties enough to act like a 3 to 4% liquid product.
Lystek allows us to cut the volume down by 75%. And what really set Lystek apart was the ability to reuse our current processes. We have a lot of ground storage that we can repurpose and reuse. We have a very robust land application program already in place. We have the farmland selected and permitted through the state of Minnesota. So all these things really fit together. So rather than truly converting and changing processes and needing a huge investment in new infrastructure and new equipment, we're able to really transition from what we were doing to a Class A Lystek process. We were able to take what could have been a $45, $50 million project and turn it into a $13 to $15 million project just by choosing a technology that worked well within our envelope.
Utilizing an existing building, the Lystek process was kind of small enough. It had a small enough footprint to fit right inside this existing building, so that saved money. There was very little extra infrastructure needed to make this project work.
Lining that equipment up, that it was actually going to work in a process or in a system. So the product would start out on one end of the building and work its way through the building. And it was a challenge, but it was a fun challenge, because as you can see behind me, it's all installed. By decreasing the amount of time that we have trucks going up and down roads, hauling the product out, that saves us money, saves wear and tear on the equipment. Overtime is huge too, that we'll save money on. So the cost savings is very beneficial.
We had have a very successful biosolids program in place with our Class B product, and we're excited now to be producing a Class A product.
LysteGro can provide comparable or higher yields than commercial fertilizer. Particularly in wetter years, LysteGro can actually provide higher yields than commercial fertilizer because of the organic nitrogen in LysteGro and its ability to provide nitrogen to the crop over the complete growing season.
I've had it side by side with conventional. It takes a lot of conventional fertilizer to kind of make up, because it's a natural product.
We're enhancing what we've always done, and that's recover resources. We've done it a lot with the water end at this wastewater facility. Now we're taking it a step further, and we're capturing those resources that are in biosolids and finding a beneficial reuse for them.
Lystek. Nothing wasted, everything to gain.